put it safely, and then we get about a meter of the thread out. Not too long, not too short. And then we cut the thread, throw the old thread, make sure it's the correct side and same place, and then the thread is in the right hand. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, and then the knot at the bottom, and then bring the knot up here, and then second knot meets the first one, and then put one more knot, that's the third knot, and then thread under the thread from left to right, give it a little jerk, and then 2 more knots, then cut it about a centimeter away from the knot, then turn over the sitar, separate them using the 2 thumbs, and then bring them together, and then flatten them with a nail, and then check it out. If it is hard, good. If it is wobbly, it's no good, and start again.
Gut.